Presenting iQOO 9Pro 5G smartphone in legend. It is also available in Dark Cruise, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, Dark Cruise, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage and Legend, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. The phone comes with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB storage. And features a dual SIM. It has an intelligent display chip for high FPS and 3D ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor. The 50-megapixel GN5 gimbal camera with an 16-megapixel portrait camera come with gimbal stabilization. The smartphone runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile processor, which uses the latest 4nm process technology for fast speed and superior graphics. It is powered with 120-watt flash charge to give 50% charge in 8 minutes and 100% battery in just 20 minutes.